Okay, what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how to add more blocks or topics is what they're called. You notice right now I have 5 of them right here on the left-hand side. If I'd like to add more or take some away, the way that you do that is over in your administration block. Obviously you have to be an instructor in the course in order to have the administration block. But on the left-hand side, left-hand side on the administration block, click on settings and it'll bring up an area where you can change some information about your course. And right here, you see where it says number of weeks/topics. If I change that number to, you notice it says 5, I'm going to change it to 7 right now. And I scroll down all the way to the bottom, and I hit Save Changes. It will add more topics or news or weeks right there. You can have up to, obviously, there's 52 weeks in a year. There's 52 possible areas where you can put information. So that is how you add more blocks, topics, weeks, whatever you prefer to call them, to your vision course.